Hey guys, so I'm using the new Huda Beauty palette with the neon, and I thought it was so freaking cool. I did the neon orange one and it looks like this. Boom, y'all see that? Who does not like these summer colors? Like, get into it. I know you see it. So this is the look that I did kind of like a cut lid to an extent, and we're just gonna spruce it up. I'm gonna show you guys how I did the other side. So yeah. And then if you want to know the foundation I have on, I'm using NYX. I call it NYX, but I'm using NYX or whatever, and I put on over it like the Max Face and Body. I'm the NC42 in that one, and also in the NYX I am Warm Honey. Yeah. Yep. Warm Honey. So we're gonna start. Neo. Basically what I'm gonna do is take this color here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, that color right there first, and I'm gonna put that over here in my crease and just start basically outlining my eye and whatnot. I don't know if you guys need me to get closer, but yeah. So I'm gonna start outlining my eye. I don't know how to wink, so I will wink at y'all, but I don't know how to wink, so we're just gonna keep it minimal so I don't look stupid. So basically we're still patting and keep patting. Great products though. I love Huda Beauty. They have some good palettes. Like, I really like their nude palette, so you guys should really try it out. That pink one that they came out with is really good. Yeah, so I did put this yellow color on top just to like blend it out more and like make the color and the transitions be different. Then I went over some more with the orange. I'm so sorry y'all, there's this barking dog. So annoying. So what I'm gonna do is next I'm gonna use this color and I'm gonna put it in the crease again just to like build that gradient, like as I have it over here. I like the transitions of colors from like light to dark and things like that, and I like just seeing like how well they blend together. It's just one of the preferences that I have when I'm doing certain looks. I just like seeing the different gradients of like colors changing. Cool. So as you can see, things are well blended. Great, great, perfect. Boom. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna use the P. Louise. I don't know if you see it. Yeah. Yeah, P. Louise base and the color 0.5. What I'm gonna do is you're gonna see me use my concealer brush that I have, and you're gonna see me basically outline the top of my lid. I don't like doing too much of an outline because I'm not trying to go for too much of a dramatic look or that much of a cut crease, but you're gonna see me start here from the inner tear ducts, and basically what I'm gonna do is just lightly pat and line the top of it, just so whenever my eyelids, like whenever I have my eyes open, I put too much there. Whenever I have my eyes open, it's like the color won't get right there where that crease area is, because then that's when the color likes to just like, that's when your eyelids like to crease up makeup and crap, and you know, can't have that. Perfect. I don't know the number, but we got this Morphe brush. It's like a dome size and like a dome flathead eyeshadow brush. I kind of get tongue tied. Don't judge me. But yeah, so we got this dome shaped, and we're gonna take this shimmery color right here. So we're gonna lightly pat here, and we're gonna pat it onto the base that we got going on. So I don't know if anybody does this or like goes through this, but like, do y'all nose be getting runny when y'all do makeup? Cause every time my nose runs when I do makeup, and it kind of aggravates me because it's like, nose, let me be great. Like, what's good? I'm gonna use this brush that I used, and I'm gonna use that color so I could put it on the outer and then kind of drag it a little bit over that crease line, over that sharp line, so therefore it can be more defined to a point. What we're gonna do is gonna blend and make sure that the look over here is seamless of this dark shadow. It's not dark, but you know, it's just a darker color from that shimmer we use, just to basically give it like like its definition, like. And then it has a nice fine tip to a point. When you see it, yeah, I think, yep, you see it. So that's the nice fine point. And then what I do is drag it up a little bit and just curve it around and just make sure it's not too much in the other shadows, because I like the way the other shadows are. So I'm gonna make sure to blend it out some more, and then boom, crease that over there. Perfect. This is looking a little raunchy right here, so we're gonna get her straight. Like, come on, sis, what's good? So we have our colors. Boom. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna take this other brush. It's kind of like a smaller one. Basically, I use it for the waterline, and we're gonna go back again with the same colors that we used. Not so much of the yellow, but this color here as well as that color there. So we're gonna put that lighter pale orange on the bottom first. We're gonna drag it down some more. I want to make this look a little bit more dramatic with the gradient as well. Then we're gonna pack the darker color on top of it, just so it could blend out some more. So use that coral color, put that there too. Well, maybe did I bring it down too much? No, oh, okay, I didn't. Sorry, I don't have lashes, so. Shimmery color here. As you can see, some of the color kind of rubbed off on it, but that's oh well. We're basically gonna get enough. There we go. And then we're gonna put it in that inner corner. Just to like have that pop of yellow, like we firing, like we're letting people know that we're here, like sis has arrived. Like, boom, boom. We're not popping. Get my lashes. Lightly put the glue on the lashes. I normally do it like this because I have a problem with doing it upside down the other way, and sometimes too much glue really be getting on my lashes, so can't have any problems. That vibes, like, yes, there we go. Gonna line the top. Oh shoot, luckily this dries clear, so I like to directly put it right on my lash line. As you can see, like, lash line right there. So we're gonna put this one down. Habit. Sorry. So then we're going to basically put some mascara on this lower lash line. So this is the look. Am I gonna do a gloss? Maybe. Should I do a gloss? Guess I should. First, I'm gonna put some Carmex on because my lips kind of a little dry earlier. There we go. Okay, we're gonna use my Dior one. The final look. What do you guys think?